Hi students, in the last lecture we had discussed the wave propagation in a conducting medium, and in today's lecture we will study about the wave equation in a perfect dielectric or a lossless dielectric. So the wave equation for conducting media is del square E is equal to mu epsilon dou square E divided by dou T square plus mu sigma dou E divided by dou T. This is the basic equation. In the case of a perfect dielectric, the value of sigma, it is equal to 0. Sigma indicates the conductivity. So this becomes del square E is equal to mu epsilon dou square E divided by dou T square. This term will become 0 because the value of sigma is equal to 0. And we know the Phasor form of E is equal to real part of E raised to j omega t. And substitute the value of E in the former equation. Then del square real part of E raised to j omega t is equal to mu epsilon dou square divided by dou T square into real part of E raised to j omega t. That is, we are substituting the value for E. So the real part of del square E raised to j omega t is equal to mu epsilon. We are rearranging this, that is real part of dou square divided by dou T square E raised to j omega t. And this, the value of dou square divided by dou T square E raised to j omega t is equal to E into j omega E raised to j omega t, that is equal to E into that j square omega square E raised to j omega t. And the former equation, real part of del square E raised to j omega t is equal to, we are applying the value for dou square divided by dou T square of E raised to j omega t as this value, that is equal to E j square omega square E raised to j omega t. We put this value instead of dou square divided by dou T square into E raised to j omega t. Then the equation, this equation becomes minus mu epsilon omega square Re E raised to j omega t. We know the value for j square is equal to minus 1. So applying those values here, then we get the equation like this. So the real part of del square E raised to j omega t plus mu epsilon omega square E raised to j omega t is equal to 0. That is, from the former equation, we are rearranging the former equation and we get this equation. From this equation, the real part of del square E plus mu epsilon omega square E into E raised to j omega t is equal to 0. That is, we are taking this E raised to j omega t. It is common in both terms. So we are taking it out. So this equation can be written in this form. That is equal to 0. From this equation, del square E plus mu epsilon omega square E is equal to 0. We can write this equation in this form, and this is the wave equation, and it is known as, this is the wave equation for a lossless dielectric or a lossless medium in Phasor form, and it is known as vector Helmholtz equation. That is, this del square E plus mu epsilon omega square E is equal to 0 is known as vector Helmholtz equation. And this can be written del square E plus beta square E is equal to 0. Here beta square is equal to mu epsilon omega square. So this equation can be written as del square E plus beta square E is equal to 0. From the we know the value of beta. The value of beta means the phase constant. Phase constant beta is equal to omega root of mu epsilon. And the velocity of propagation be written as V is equal to omega divided by beta. And applying the values for beta here, that is omega divided by, apply this value instead of beta, that is omega root of mu epsilon. Then the velocity of propagation we get like this, that is V is equal to 1 by root of mu epsilon. And if the medium is free space, then the value for mu is equal to mu 0 and the value of epsilon is epsilon 0. So the velocity of propagation becomes, in the case of a free space, V is equal to 1 by root of mu 0 epsilon 0, and the value is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. This is about the wave equation in perfect dielectric or lossless dielectric. Thank you.